Absolute fucking madness. So you may see that there's about 4 358s terminating at Elmers End Green. Why is that, you say? It's to do with the charging. So those of you man that are waiting for the 358 beyond Elmers End Green, you know, towards its Crystal Palace part, yeah, you're in luck. Because I was stood there stranded for 20 minutes wondering why there was no bus fucking turning up. And then I take a bus down to here, and I find 4 of these stopped here. And that's what's happening with every 358 right now. They just keep terminating at Elmers End Green instead of Crystal Palace. It's crazy, man. I'm telling them, the best way to get these electrics to stop running out of charge so quickly is to reduce the power they use. Reduce the power they use, yeah? And make them have more than one gear. Because if you make them have more than one gear and you reduce the power, you can make the gears. That's why buses with engines have more than one gear. They have more than 2 gears. Yeah, it's not like you give the diesel buses 1 gear and make the engine do all the work throughout all the gears. Look, they could easily make these diesel buses last on 1 gear with 1,000 horsepower. They could easily do that. All you have to do is remap the ECU and just make the gearbox skip to the last gear. They could easily do that, but that's not going to be good because fuel is going to run out quickly. Because the more power the engine's using, the more fuel it's letting out. Do you get what I mean? Because the fuel is part of the combustion process. You know, the fuel mixes with air to make a combustion in each cylinder, and that's what makes the power. And that's what makes the sound as well. You know that from the exhaust. But they don't. So that's what I'm saying. They don't just make engines have ultimate power and make them last on 1 gear, because that would just make it run out of power so quickly. But these brain dead motherfuckers decided to do that with electrics. 11306. That sounding hefty, fam. Are you hearing that? But yeah, that's what these men should start doing. They should start giving electric buses more gears and let them use less power. Because it's possible to give electric buses more than 1 gear. We've seen it with the BZL, we've seen it with the Metro City. Yeah, that's right. But the thing is, with the Metro City, yeah, it shifts into gear. It shifts into the next second gear when it gets too fast, bro. That's the only thing. It shifts into the second gear late. Do you get what I'm saying? Bro, look at this. Even the 54's terminating at Elmers End Green, fam. You meant to go to the stand down there. What are you doing down here, bro? So it might not just be down to electric issues or whatnot. Like, what's going on? Nah, I'll be real. Obviously, electric issues. Look at this, fam. But now these buses are nice though. I like their design. These are like the most iconic yet buses we've had in London, apart from the Citaros. That's it, bro. I know people are gonna hate. Oh, it's the kit down. Bro, it's just the kit down you're rating your buses for. Kit down isn't no boost in power. It just makes the shifts later, and it just makes the thing downshift. You know, as soon as you press the throttle, that's all kit down does. That's all kit down does. People act like it's ultimate boost power in the bus community, and that's what annoys me, bro. People act like the bus ride is dead if there's no kit down. That's not true. All these other gearboxes, you can easily just change the mode on them to get the thing to shift later and act exactly like kit down. That's what people in the bus community don't realise. These gearboxes, they have different modes. What I'm talking, Voives, ZF Sensor Top, you know, the Sensor Top software, the Toppleton software, they've all got different settings which literally just copy kit down.